What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2008 Honda VTX 1300. We're going to take a quick walk around this thing so you guys can see what it looks like up close and see what you're getting into if you're interested in it. Let's start back here in the back tire. Back tire has a decent amount of tread. That middle part there is getting a little low. I'm going to call that like maybe 30 or 40%. I think it would pass inspection. Would be good to ride on, but might be looking at a replacement before the next season. Here on the rear fender, you can see that there is a scratch right there. I want you to see that. Kind of a weird spot, like you bumped up against a wall in the garage or something. Other than that, this back part's looking pretty good. You got the license plate mount, you got turn signal, tail light up here. I really like these VTXs. I think they have good lines. I think they have good motors. We get them in every once in a while, enjoy riding them around. This one does have these leather bags on the side. Has a snap in the back there too. There's that. So that's a nice shape. Both of the bags are in pretty good shape. Buckle that back up. Get that later. There's the seat. Rider seat's in nice shape. Passenger seat's in nice shape. We'll take a little closer look at them here in a minute. See the exhaust here. Looks like the stock exhaust. Really nice shape, shined up. I don't see any scrapes or scratches or dents on that. Got your side cover here. Have your passenger peg up here on the tank. Got just a slight mark right here, like a little discoloration, like in the clear coat. Other than that, I don't have anything else. Any other marks on here I think that I need to point out? Nope, that was a little speck of dirt. Thought I found one. There's the motor. Everything looks to be good. This thing fires right up, runs well. This bike is carbureted, so note that. There's your rider floorboard. There's your rear brake. We'll spin it around here. We'll look at the handlebars. Got your throttle here. Mirror, front brake, all that. This bike does have a windshield. So there's that. There's your front headlight and turn signal, all that stuff's in nice shape. Get in there close on the fork tubes so you can get a look at them. And the lower fork tubes also, it's looking in good shape. There's your front brake there. It is just the single rotor on the front brake. I like that kind of like solid looking front wheel. We'll see that from the other side here in a second. Up here on the front fender, there's some light marks in here, almost like a smudge, but it's like kind of in the clear coat. But not much else up on top. There is a scratch right there at my pointer finger. I can feel it in the paint. So there's that. Front tire, similar to the back tire. I'm gonna call it like 30 or 40%. I think it would pass inspection. Definitely good to ride on it. But maybe a replacement here before the next full season, depending on how much you ride. There is a mark here on the side. I'm going to wait till I spin it around so you can see it on the front fender. Is right there, my pointer finger. That is a scratch. There you can kind of see that front wheel. I like that front wheel. There's the fork tube on this side. A little bit of some marks right there. Might have been like an old inspection sticker or something. This blue is a really nice blue. I really like the color. It's kind of like a navy blue with just like a little bit of flake in it. You get your mirror here, handlebar, clutch, all that. You guys know the drill. You know what you're looking at if you're watching this video. There's the VTX badge on this side. This side of the tank looking good. There's the motor. Got your choke in here, fuel petcock valve. Got your rider floorboard, toe shifter, heel shifter, got your kickstand down there, got your passenger peg, here's your side cover, got your ignition in here, all this stuff is looking good in through there. Here is the leather bag on the other side, matches the one that we saw earlier. I'm not going to open that one up, it's the same. Here on the seat, you got the passenger seat, pretty comfortable passenger seat, no backrest, does have a little handle there. All the seams in here and all that stuff are in good shape. Same thing here on the rider seat. All these seams are good. Not stressed, not pulling apart, none of that. Nice big seat there. Over the top. your fuel cap. You can open that with the key. With your gauges. Again, there's handlebar, mirror, clutch, you know, high beam, low beam, turn signal, horn. Over to the other side. Got your throttle, brake, start, kill switch, mirror. Turn this thing on so you guys can see the mileage. 7,185 miles. There'll be a few more miles than that after the test drive. Make sure you watch the test drive on YouTube. Definitely watch it if you're interested in this bike. Get a good feel for it. We'll start this thing up so you guys can hear it run. There is that. Let's make sure that the turn signals work. Got your front signal there, and your front signal on that side as well. Let's walk around the side. We'll go see the back one. There's your back signal there, and your rear signal there. All right, guys. Like I said, this is a 2008 Honda VTX 1300. It's in the nice blue. I like that color. Do not miss out on this bike. This thing is not going to last long. And thank you so much for watching.